Well, good morning. It's a Friday Insurance Facts, and I wanted to let you guys know snow's coming again tomorrow, so be prepared and have these items in your car. First, cell phone and your charger. Make sure you've got that. Blanket, hat, gloves, water, snacks, first aid kit, flashlight, car emergency like flares, basic tools, tarp or a raincoat, jumper cables, jump pack, a shovel, small shovel, and some traction aid, sand, salt, non-clumping cat litter, and of course an ice scraper. Don't get caught like those folks on I-95 in Virginia overnight. Make sure you're ready. We're here to help if you want some insurance information or need more information from us. It's Griffin Owens Insurance Group. I'm Diane Griffin Goldberg, and I appreciate your time. Take care. Bye.